Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, this one is going to provide all the computer equipment you need, so it is perfect for those of you who are trying to work from home but don't have your own home office setup. It is a part-time position, but it is non-phone. The company is Trust and Wheel. Now, they only have 13 reviews on Glassdoor, but out of those 13 reviews, they do have a very high rating. They have 4.9 out of 5-star rating. Of course, the links to all the pages I share are always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But Trust and Wheel is just like the name sounds. They deal with wills and helping families leave their legacy with fast, easy, and secure ways to create and manage and distribute their estate planning online. They are hiring a junior member support specialist. This is remote for the United States, and again, it is part-time. They're looking for someone to really become the subject matter expert with in-depth knowledge around estate planning and the Trust and Wheel product. Now, again, this is non-phone. You'll provide high-quality support for Trust and Wheel members to effectively help them resolve their issues through live chat on the website, email, and SMS text messaging. So all written communication, no phone. You'll communicate thoughtfully to provide answers to questions surrounding the Trust and Wheel products, services, and general estate planning. You'll handle a user's issues directly and resolve any customer complaints that come up, and you'll drive thoughtful and effective communication both internally with your team and externally with the customers. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're looking for someone who can be a thoughtful communicator and is excellent at communicating through a variety of different channels, someone who has a sincere passion and obsession for customers and helping them while being highly productive, someone who is passionate about problem solving, someone who has a track record for great and creative problem solving. You've got to be self-motivated, and they're looking for people, even though they're hiring throughout the United States, to work specific time zone hours. So you'll need to convert your time zone to that to see if that will work for you. And of course, experience with ticketing systems like Zendesk or like Google Suite and stuff like that are very helpful. Now, you do get bonus points if you're bilingual in both English and Spanish, but that is not required. They are paying $18 to $20 an hour. They don't offer like health benefits or anything since this is a part-time job, but they are giving you a Mac computer to work with, plus all the Apple accessories that go with that computer, and $250 on top of that to set up your home office. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments, because I do read those and keep that in mind. If you ever have any feedback or suggestions on how I can make this channel better, things I could do differently, also feel free to leave those down below in the comments as well. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.